Today we're going to be using a different strategy to add. We are going to be using expanded form, which I know is something that you have used before. So let's look at the problem. It says the table shows the weight of animals at the zoo. Use the tables to answer the questions below. Show your math thinking. Alright, so our math thinking today is going to be that expanded form. So it wants to know what is the total weight of the gorilla and polar bear. So let's see here. So I have the gorilla at 408 and the polar bear at 437. So it wants to know the total weight. That lets me know that I'm going to be doing some adding, some addition. So the gorilla weighs 408 pounds and the polar bear weighs 437 pounds. So I need to be adding those together to get a total. Alright, so let's see what I remember about expanded form. I know with expanded form I'm breaking these down into their place values. So I'm first going to break 408 into expanded form. So I'm going to say 400 plus, I have 0 tens plus 8 ones. Alright, so when I do that, 400 plus 0 plus 8 is 408. I'm going to do the same thing for 437. So that would be 400 plus 30 plus 7 ones. Alright, so now I'm going to add these together. So 8 plus 7, that's going to give me 15. 0 plus 30 is going to give me 30, 3 tens. And then 400 plus 400 gives me 800. Now I need to take this out of expanded form. So I have 800 plus 30 would give me 830 plus another 15 would be 845. So my answer is 845. That would be the total weight of the gorilla and the polar bear.